Hello guys, this is a worm eating the leaves of a lemon tree. We have to spray a little so that the worms will not be on this lemon tree. We have these lemon trees a little bit tall now, and here the newly planted lemon trees. We have to spray a little for the worms not to be on the leaves of the lemon tree. I have also to spray this my angel touch plants here. Then we have this angel touch plants. This is a morning glory. This is a pandangera, and this is a birds of paradise. So we have here a lemon, another angel touch, and we have here the durian. Okay. We have the angel touch, angel touch. We have the San Francisco. Okay, we have the pine tree, cypress, and we have some of this. We have the avocado, and we have the lemon cedar. They are marketed and have so many fruits. Here we have the avocado and the lemon, another lemon cedar, another lemon cedar, my mother lemon cedar. Parang naubos ng laman. Andito ng lemon cedar. Andito may mga hinog na. Yan. Daming bunga ang lemon cedar. Ang daming bunga. Hinog na. Sana yun. Andito ang hinog na. Thank you for watching, guys. Andito tayo sa Elizabeth channel.